everyone. This is me. We're doing a Coca-Cola spill with Mentos and Coca-Cola. And then we're going to fall out this. Goodbye, everybody.
Ah, goodbye everybody na. I-open mo pang Mentos.
Oh, I forgot.
Isa lang ha.
Okay.
One piece lang. Uy. Okay, Nay. O, dali dito, bilis. O, sige, open mo yan. Sige, ilagay mo ang anong first step?
You
Baby
pour
Cloud.
in this one.
This is like
Ay, pour. Okay.
A lot. This one's
Okay? Ito, oh.
I can
Pour.
do it.
Ate Cash, mag-help.
oh, di ba diretso sa ano?
Testing muna.
Test mo.
Yes.
Looks yum.
That's enough.
Full pa, full.
If you dadagan pa.
Okay. Sige. Tapos, anong next step, Ate Cash and Baby Cloud?
Just
You open the Mentos.
Anong Mentos yan? Orange flavor?
it's
Mint.
mint flavor.
Bakit kailangan ng mint flavor?
Because it was closed.
Ha?
We have no mint flavor.
Anong color ng Mentos? Red?
Just let me see the flavor.
Wala yung blue.
Oh, help Ate Cash.
It's white.
Oh, help ka ni Ate Cash dyan, oh, sa taas.
I can do it.
Dapat ba naka-open na kayo?
One lang.
Ay, sayang. Oh,
3, 2, 1, go!
Wow!
It's not slow.
Gusto mo mag-explode? Bakit mo gusto mag-explode?
Dapat puno siguro. Enough.
Uy. Siguro gusto mo ilagay doon sa Coke mismo? No, sige Ate Cash.
Coca.
Wait lang, dapat tanggalin tong Juan. Ito.
How do we do it?
Yan oh.
Just
Ay, tanggal na pala.
Laki na yan, be.
about
That's the last. Alim yun eh.
I am pick one. And I pick
Okay. You dunk. Ready?
go.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Push mo.
Hindi ma-shoot. Wow!
Explodes.
Ha? Nag-explode?
Huwag mo din ako na video ni. Uy, sa mukha.
About this one.
Uy!
About this one.
Ano yan?
Another
Volcano?
one.
Yeah, have.
Gastos naman ito.
Gastos.
Ay, shit. Ano ba ako?
It's going to come out.
I think kailangan yung fan kasi yung Mentos na regular. Bakit ganyan binili niyo?
Walang
Oh,
enough.
enough.
That's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Bye-bye. Anong
Buy the blue one.
anong natutunan mo sa experiment, baby?
Kailangan man siya
No, it's going to.
Baby,
Yep.
ano natutunan mo sa experiment?
It's going.
Ano natutunan mo sa experiment?
It's just.
Wait,
Anong
huwag mo
result?
ubusin kay meron pang soda. Kunin ko sa Thursday kay Lian.
Anong result sa experiment mo?
It's just loud.
It explode? Wow! Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Ah.
Bye-bye.